Ever thought you could edit images in Photoshop directly from ChatGPT? Yes, you heard that right. Now you don't need to open Photoshop separately or learn complex tools. Step 1. Start by either uploading an existing photo or creating a brand new one. In this example, we'll just ask ChatGPT to create an image of a student studying in a bright classroom. Perfect. Step 2. Head over to the Explore or Apps section in the sidebar. Step 3. Search for and select Adobe Photoshop, then click Start Chat to connect it to your workspace. Step 4. Now for the magic. Go back to your image prompt, type the @ symbol, and select Adobe Photoshop from the list. Let's tell it to change to night mood. Photoshop will process the image right there in the chat and instantly give you a darker, cinematic look. It even gives you suggestions for what to do next. Let's try one of them out and ask it to turn it into a rainy night scene outside the window. Just paste the prompt, hit send, and watch your image transform completely seamlessly.